The printable ID is just a temporary ID. That is, akong explain nga, since temporary na siya, the owner of the ID can still expect for the physical ID. So since challenging man yung delivery of the physical ID, para magamit na lang for the meantime, so katong printable ID is actually just printed with the we tried to nga dili gyud siya ordinary paper lang, but if in case ordinary siya but there is QR code already, and embedded in the QR code is the picture of the owner nga pag-link nimo sa application, it will reflect ang iyang ID during the validation. So kami lang yun mo print ana, because as I have said, that is a critical one, because we do not allow anybody to claim your ID. That is how very confidential is the ID, no? The Privacy Act does not allow us to release that ID to any other person. So that's why it should be, I said, critical. It should be the owner of the ID. Pag print na mo gyud among tagaan, and he will be the one.